This begins with Ledger Guarino, who's celebrating his big first birthday. Future gorilla right there. A happy birthday to you, Mr. Ledger, in Alba.
Oh, what a cute picture there. Piper McMillan turning 1 year old as well. What a sweetheart there. Piper is in Galena.
Maddie Martin, now a teenager. Maddie, a happy 13th birthday to you.
All right, turning 25 years old this year. It's time to celebrate for Tucker Westhoff in Erie, Kansas.
We've got a number of people wishing Brittany Murphy happy 34th birthday wishes. Brittany is in Seneca. And Brittany, this comes with love from Ryan, Roman, Ryder, Rhineley Ray, and Mom.
Aww.
I hope Mom's name starts with an R.
Well, Mrs. Harris, who is a very well-known second grade teacher at St. Mary's Colgan in Pittsburgh.
Yeah!
Lisa from Weir, Kansas, celebrating a big catch and a big birthday this year. She's 40.
Nice catch, Lisa. Fiona Dewey, a happy 56th birthday to Miss Dewey as she celebrates in Parsons.
All right, Shelia Corondo, turning 56 years old this year. Happy birthday to Sheila in Humboldt.
Teresa Martin, she's celebrating her 66th birthday. Teresa's having a good time, I guarantee you that. Happy birthday, Teresa, in Uniontown.
I like that picture. In Franklin, turning 80 years old this year, Larry Brown, happy birthday. Hope you have a great one.
And Jayden McConnell, a very happy birthday to you as well, good sir.
All right, out in Chanute, Wally Love, turning another year wiser. Happy birthday, Wally.
Marena Fitzwater-Kirkpatrick, happy birthday in Walnut. Have a great day, Marena.
All right. And we've got TJ and Trisha Pike celebrating their 10th anniversary. There's their wedding pic there. Love that picture. In Nevada, congratulations to the Pikes.
We got another Pike anniversary in Nevada as well, but first, look who decides to jump in the way.
All right.
You know, Tyler and Robyn, they just come busting in. They're just like, it's our 21st.
They are the couple that gets better looking every year. That's for sure. I truly mean that, Tyler and Robyn.
Congratulations, Tyler and Robyn. So the Harrells just come busting in because we got another Pike anniversary in Nevada.
Yeah, it's Sonny and Carmen. Oh, I love that wedding pic. Congratulations to the Pikes and they're in Nevada too, obviously. 32 years together.
Danny and Paula McDaniel, they are celebrating their 53rd anniversary. Congratulations to the McDaniels in Fort Scott.
All right, and Robert and Bonnie McQuillan are celebrating 60 years together.
Congratulations, Robert and Bonnie. Wow. Dale and Arnona Bogner, they have their 21st anniversary. We give them a screen all of themselves. Congratulations to Dale and Arnona in Parsons. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.